Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What is your name?
My name is Jumme Salma and yours?
My name is Jui Sarmin.
MashaAllah, very nice name.
Jazakallahu khairan. And where and you from?
I am from Ramnagar Notunpara Furkania Madrasa and you?
I am from Ramnagar Notunpara Furkania Madrasa. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am good also. And how is your family, Salma?
Alhamdulillah, my family is good and yours?
Alhamdulillah, my family is also fine. What is your hobby?
My hobby is learning and yours?
My hobby is a Quran recitation.
MashaAllah, very good, my dear friend.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my friend, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.